Today I'm going to show you how to install these original Honda wiper blade inserts. Now I made the mistake of when I first replaced my windshield wiper blades, I just took the original Hondas out and threw them away, not knowing that you could just buy inserts. So if you don't have the original Honda wiper blades, you might want to go out and purchase them. I think they're around $31. And then after that, you can just go ahead and use the inserts. Now to tell whether you have Honda original wiper blades, you can see this marking on the blade. You can also see over here, it's kind of hard to pick out, but that also is an indicator that it's an original Honda wiper blade. To remove the wiper blade, you just need to press in on this clip right here. Once you press down on there, then just go ahead and slide the blade down and then just lift it off. Now to remove the insert, you'll see right here there's a little indent there, and all you need to do is just pull hard and it'll come out of that groove. You see that groove right there? That's what it slides into. So then you just go ahead and pull the insert out. Now you're then going to have to remove these metal pieces right here, because you're going to slide those into the to your new insert. So you'll take these pieces out and you're going to use those. And this is what you'll throw away. This is the old insert. Now the next thing you want to do is you're going to slide these metal pieces into this groove here, and this is probably the most difficult thing that you have to do. It's kind of hard to do it with both of them, but you just slide it in and then just kind of work your way down. And it'll slide out, but once you get it in a little bit, then you'll just go ahead and do the other side. Just go ahead and slide that one in. So you can see what you'll do is you'll start the blades, the metal pieces on each side, and then just keep working it in. And what you can do is you can go ahead and start feeding it through, and as you feed it, it'll keep that end together. So you just work up from one end to another, and then just kind of just slowly work your way down, and just keep feeding it through. Work your way all the way down. And then once you get it to the end, get that last piece in. When you get it slid in, you're going to have to force this in so that it will stay, and you just click it in place. Now we've got it all the way in. Okay, the last thing you need to do is put the wiper blade on. You just slide this in, move it over here, and then push it up and you'll hear it click. And just go ahead and move your blade back down, and there you have it. You just do the same thing to the other side. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.